What if I told you that certain hunting rifles in your safe right now could become highly sought-after collectibles? Some firearms appreciate significantly over time, and 2026 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for specific models. Whether you're a collector or simply own quality equipment, understanding which rifles hold their worth can help you make informed decisions. Today, we're counting down 10 hunting rifles that serious enthusiasts are keeping in their collections. Stay until the end. Number 1 might surprise you. Starting at number 10, we have the Bergara B14 HMR. This Spanish-made precision rifle has earned respect among long-range enthusiasts since its introduction. Built on a proven action with a threaded barrel and adjustable stock, the HMR delivers consistent accuracy that rivals custom builds. The Ridge variant offers a lighter profile for field use while maintaining the same quality barrel craftsmanship Bergara is known for. What makes this rifle interesting for collectors is its combination of old-world barrel-making expertise and modern features. Bergara barrels are hammer-forged in Spain using techniques refined over generations. The company has built a solid reputation quickly in North America, and early production models are beginning to show appreciation as the brand continues to grow. Pros: sub-MOA accuracy guarantee with match-grade barrels. Highly adjustable stock accommodates various shooting positions. Threaded barrel ready for suppressors or muzzle devices. Cons: heavier than traditional hunting rifles for extended carry. Stock design may feel bulky for smaller frame shooters. Limited aftermarket support compared to more established brands. At number 9, the Winchester 1894 represents American heritage. This lever-action design has been in continuous production for over a century, making it one of the most successful sporting rifles ever made. The 2025 Guide variant incorporates modern materials while respecting the classic design that generations have trusted. Collector interest remains strong because the 1894 bridges historical significance with practical functionality. Earlier production models, particularly pre-1964 examples, already command premium prices. Even recent production rifles are holding value well as Winchester continues to produce quality lever actions. The Guide series adds weather-resistant finishes and fiber optic sights while maintaining traditional operation. Pros: timeless lever action design with proven reliability. Compact length makes it excellent for dense cover. Historical significance adds collectible appeal beyond function. Cons: limited effective range compared to modern bolt actions. Tubular magazine restricts pointed bullet use in some calibers. Iron sight standard, requiring additional investment for optics. Number 8 brings us to the Q-Fix, a controversial yet innovative design that challenged traditional rifle conventions. The folding stock model showcases modern manufacturing techniques and unconventional thinking. This rifle features a unique barrel attachment system and minimalist design philosophy that sparked both criticism and admiration. The Fix represents a specific moment in firearms evolution where innovation pushed boundaries. Whether the design proves enduringly popular or becomes a fascinating footnote, early production models will likely interest collectors. The folding capability and compact design appeal to those seeking versatility. Limited production numbers compared to major manufacturers may enhance future collectability. Pros: compact folding design for transport and storage. Lightweight carbon fiber construction reduces carry weight. Unique engineering approach stands out from conventional designs. Cons: premium pricing reflects boutique manufacturing scale. Proprietary parts may complicate future maintenance. Unconventional design polarizes traditional rifle enthusiasts. At number 7, the Weatherby Mark V Backcountry continues a legacy of premium hunting rifles. Weatherby built its reputation on Magnum cartridges and elegant designs. The Backcountry series brings that heritage into modern lightweight packages suitable for mountain hunting. The Peak 44 variant pushes weight reduction even further with carbon components. Mark V rifles feature the distinctive 9-lug bolt design and Weatherby's signature high-gloss finishes on traditional models. Backcountry variants adapt this proven action with fluted barrels, composite stocks, and Cerakote finishes. As a smaller manufacturer focused on quality over quantity, Weatherby rifles maintain strong resale values. The Backcountry series represents their response to modern hunting demands while preserving core design elements. Pros: extremely lightweight for mountain hunting applications. Premium components throughout, including match-grade triggers. Distinctive Weatherby styling and brand prestige. Cons: Higher price point than mass market competitors. Lightweight design amplifies recoil in magnum chamberings. Limited availability through smaller dealer networks. Number 6 features the Springfield Armory Waypoint, a relative newcomer that quickly gained attention. Springfield leveraged experience from precision rifle manufacturing to create a purpose-built hunting platform. The Waypoint combines carbon fiber construction with an adjustable trigger and user-tunable comb height for proper scope alignment. This rifle emerged during a period of innovation in hunting rifle design, incorporating features previously found only in custom builds. Springfield's name recognition and warranty support provide confidence for buyers. As their first dedicated bolt-action hunting rifle designed from scratch, the Waypoint may become historically significant regardless of commercial success. Early adopters secured rifles that represent Springfield's entry into this market segment. Pros: lightweight carbon fiber barrel reduces overall weight. Adjustable features allow customization to shooter preference. Sub-MOA accuracy guarantee backed by established manufacturer. Cons: new model lacks long-term field performance data. Premium materials increase replacement costs if damaged. Limited track record compared to century-old competitors. At number 5, the Christensen Arms Ridgeline FFT showcases advanced manufacturing techniques. Christensen pioneered carbon fiber barrel technology for sporting rifles, bringing aerospace materials to hunting. The Ridgeline FFT, flux-forged technology, incorporates their lightest barrel profile while maintaining accuracy standards. Carbon fiber barrels offer advantages in weight savings and heat dissipation. Christensen established themselves as premium manufacturers before carbon barrels became mainstream. Their rifles represent a technological shift in barrel manufacturing. As carbon fiber becomes more common, early Christensen rifles document the technology's introduction to hunting markets. The FFT variant pushes weight reduction to extremes that appeal to backcountry hunters. Pros: industry-leading lightweight design under 6 pounds. Carbon fiber barrel provides stiffness with reduced weight. Premium components including titanium receivers on some models. Cons: very high price point limits market accessibility. Ultralight design requires careful handling and maintenance. Carbon barrels cannot be rechambered or modified easily. Number 4 brings the Browning X-Bolt Speed 2, evolution of a proven design. Browning's X-Bolt series built on lessons from the successful A-Bolt line. The Speed 2 incorporates an adjustable comb, spiral fluted bolt, and Cerakote finish. Browning's reputation for reliability and customer service supports long-term value retention. The X-Bolt demonstrates how established manufacturers adapt traditional designs with modern features. Browning's extensive dealer network ensures parts availability and service support. Speed 2 variants target hunters seeking lightweight performance without entering boutique pricing. As Browning continues refining this platform, earlier Speed 2 production may interest collectors documenting the model's evolution. Pros: proven X-Bolt action with extensive field testing. Adjustable comb accommodates various optic heights. Wide chamber selection covers most hunting applications. Cons: heavier than pure mountain rifles despite improvements. Factory stocks may require upgrading for competition use. Mid-tier pricing, neither premium nor economy positioning. At number 3, the Savage Axis 2 represents accessible quality. Savage built their reputation on accuracy and innovation, introducing the adjustable AccuTrigger across their line. The Axis D2 brings features like thread-ready barrels and improved stocks to entry-level pricing. The 1011 series offers step-up features while maintaining value. Savage rifles demonstrate that accuracy doesn't require premium pricing. The AccuTrigger revolutionized factory triggers when introduced. Axis 2 rifles provide solid performance for new hunters and experienced shooters alike. Historical Savage models already interest collectors, particularly early AccuTrigger examples. Current Axis 2 production documents the democratization of accurate hunting rifles. Pros: exceptional value delivers accuracy at accessible pricing. User-adjustable AccuTrigger requires no gunsmithing. Wide availability through major retailers nationwide. Cons: basic finish and materials reflect economy positioning. Stock quality adequate but not premium feeling. Resale values lower than premium brands initially. Number 2 showcases the Tikka T3X, Finland's contribution to precision hunting. Tikka rifles earned devoted followers through consistent accuracy and smooth actions. The T3X improved upon the T3 with better stock bedding and modular design. Late variant suit field hunting, while Ace target models serve precision applications. Tikka's parent company Sako brings century-old expertise to these rifles. The T3X action runs smoothly with minimal maintenance. Tikka established themselves through performance rather than marketing, building reputation through user experience. As production continues in Finland, these rifles represent European manufacturing quality. The T3X platform's modularity allows customization while maintaining core reliability. Pros: exceptionally smooth bolt operation out of box. Consistent sub-MOA accuracy across production runs. Interchangeable barrels and stocks through modular design. Cons: factory stocks feel hollow compared to premium options. Magazine capacity lower than some competitors. Limited finish options on standard models. Number 1. Ruger 1022 Carbon Fiber Edition. Our number 1 spot goes to the Ruger 1022 Carbon Fiber Edition. The standard 1022 is already America's most popular rimfire, with over 10 million produced since 1964. The Carbon Fiber Edition elevates this proven design with modern materials and enhanced features. This rimfire might seem surprising at number 1, but consider its significance. The 1022 represents more than just a training rifle. It's a cultural icon that introduced countless people to shooting sports. Carbon fiber editions demonstrate Ruger's commitment to innovation within their classic design. Limited production special editions consistently appreciate beyond standard models. Why number 1? The 1022 platform transcends typical market cycles. Standard models hold value remarkably well for their price point. Special editions like carbon fiber variants become collectible immediately. As newer shooters discover the platform, demand remains constant. The 1022's historical significance, practical utility, and emotional connection create unique collectability. Pros: legendary reliability with millions in service worldwide. Extensive aftermarket support allows unlimited customization. Low operating costs encourage frequent practice and skill development. Cons: rimfire cartridge limits hunting applications to small game. Carbon edition pricing approaches centerfire rifle territory. Ubiquity means common models less distinctive for collections. These 10 rifles represent quality manufacturing, innovative design, or historical significance that serious collectors recognize. While market conditions fluctuate, well-maintained quality firearms tend to hold value over time. Remember, proper storage, maintenance, and documentation help preserve any firearms condition. Which of these rifles do you own? Share your experiences in the comments below and subscribe for more firearms content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.